So how can we practice the future continuous? G'day, welcome to English Absorbed. My name is Jesse and this is the English channel for you to learn English the right way. What's the right way? Keep watching to find out. Today on English Absorbed, we are going to look at the future continuous. This is one of the 12 tenses in English. It's definitely worth reviewing the tenses every now and then. And today, we're going to look at the future continuous and an easy trick that's going to help you remember how to use it. Smash like and smash subscribe. So to look at the future continuous, we should probably go back and have a look at the past continuous. There are three continuous tenses: the past continuous, the present continuous, and the future continuous. The past continuous is an action that happened at the same time as another action, or an action that happened in the past at a particular time, because we can think of time as an action. So I'll give you two examples. Yesterday, while you were sleeping, I was cooking. Or yesterday at 9 p.m., I was cooking. The past continuous. So now that we understand that the past continuous is an action in the past that happened at the same time as another action or at a particular time, remember, time is an action. The future continuous is the same thing. It just happens in the future. So if you're good at the past continuous, then you're very lucky because you're also good at the future continuous. So the past continuous, an event that happened at the same time as another action in the past. The future continuous, an event that will happen at the same time as another event in the future. So let's use the same examples. While you're sleeping tomorrow, I will be cooking. I will be cooking. At 9 p.m. tomorrow, I will be cooking. Very simple. And that's the future continuous. The form of the future continuous is subject, will be, ing. Very easy. The future continuous needs two actions. You cannot use the past continuous or the future continuous with just one action. You need two actions. And the funny thing about the future continuous is that the other action is not actually in the future simple with will. We use the present continuous. But remember that the present continuous form is actually the future. Doesn't matter. Let's look at that example. While you are sleeping, I will be cooking, right? While you are sleeping, action 1. Action 2 in the future continuous, I will be cooking. A lot of students will make the mistake of saying, while you will be sleeping, or while you sleep, I will be cooking. No. While you are sleeping, I will be cooking. So how can we practice the future continuous? You can practice the future continuous anytime you like, just in your head, or with a notebook and a pen. Simply think about tomorrow and different times tomorrow. For instance, at 3 a.m. tomorrow, what will you be doing? You can write, tomorrow at 3 a.m., I will be sleeping, right? Probably you will be sleeping. Or maybe at 3 a.m. tomorrow, you will be partying. At 3 a.m. tomorrow, I will be partying. Okay, what about 10 a.m. tomorrow? At 10 a.m. tomorrow, what will you be doing? My answer is, at 10 a.m. tomorrow, I will be having brunch with my friends. One more, at 5 p.m. tomorrow. What will you be doing at 5 p.m. tomorrow? My answer is, at 5 p.m. tomorrow, I will be watching the sunset at the beach. I will be watching the sunset at the beach. And that's how you can practice the future continuous at any time at all. Just think of a time in the future and think about what you will be doing. I will be ing. It's very easy to practice. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of English Absorbed. If you found it helpful, then it would mean a lot to me if you would like and subscribe and maybe even share it with your friends who need a little bit of English as well in their lives. Check out the other videos and I will see you in the next one.